What's going on, and welcome back to another tips and tricks of the trade video. And in this video we are continuing the sub-series to the series for folding articles of clothing for various types of travel. Now yes, this is a little bit more geared towards the military and the training rotations and deployments that they're going to be going on, and how to essentially pack their clothes or fold their clothes to be able to optimize the space that they have and be able to pack everything that they need in conjunction with all of the mission essential equipment that they need. However, this does work for everybody to include civilians, military, law enforcement, and any type of travel that you may be doing, whether it's recreational, non-official, or official, doesn't matter. This works for everybody, and it just helps you optimize the space that you have, so then that way you can pack everything that you need. So with that, and without further ado, we're going to dive right into this. This is going to be focused entirely on socks. We've got, ankle high socks, or I should say calf high socks, ankle height socks, and then low socks or low cut socks, whatever the case may be, whatever you're using. It's pretty much all the same across the board. So when it comes down to it, it doesn't matter the size of the sock. All you're going to do is just lay it nice and flat. Make sure that there's no major things preventing it from being rolled, and then from there you just layer one sock on top of the other. Doesn't matter left to right, right to left, just as long as they're flat and on top of each other. And then you're just going to roll from the bottom of the pair of socks all the way up to the top of the opening, and you're just going to take that exterior sock opening and wrap that around your sock or pair of socks. So that's all it is when it comes down to it. It's the same exact thing with these ankle high socks. You're going to roll the bottom of the pair of socks all the way to the top, and then with your opening right there, you're just going to pinch everything together and then wrap that exterior opening around the pair of socks to hold and lock everything in place like so. And then even with your low cut socks, the same thing. You're going to roll the pair of socks together, and then that exterior opening, you're just going to grab and pinch all that and wrap that around for your pair of socks. And that is it. It is as simple as that. Calf height, ankle height, and low cut socks, all neatly rolled to be able to throw them in your luggage or whatever that you're packing everything into, and then that way you're not losing socks when you're trying to find and take everything apart. So with that, if you have any questions, please feel free, leave a comment. We'll help you out in any way that we can. And with that, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.